Hi friends, welcome to CIETRO Print Solution. Now I am showing how we are going to print a family picture on a 3x2 size of a glass. It's come with a glossy finish and embossed. It's printing on the top of the glass, not back side of the glass. See, now you can get a clear idea how it's printing on the top of the glass with a glossy finish and embossed. It's shining.
Hello,
Now
hello.
my person will show you
Maybe straight J.
the output image, then you can get a clear idea how the final output image look like. See, you can see it's a glossy finish and background is a wood texture. This is the back side of the glass. Now you can see front side. Just now we printed it on the top of the glass. It's an LED strip. We are going to place the glass over there. With this glass, this is the LED strip. For better way, we are installing the glass. See, now you can get a clear idea. We install an LED strip backside for better way and better look. Wow, it's nice.